This brand is made in China and is imported by Big Wall Enterprises Incorporated. They are available in many large retail stores and have electronic controls with a temperature-sensing remote control for enhanced comfort. They use self-evaporating condensate technology so that you do not have to dump a bucket of water, but the warranty, especially on the compressor, is not very good. The units use environmentally friendly R32 refrigerant. They have sleep and energy saver modes but only use a basic washable filter which does not do much to clean the air. The 2-port models feature a 3-speed fan with auto-swing louvers for better air circulation throughout the room and an 8.9 EER efficiency rating, but they only have a single hose, which means that conditioned air from the room is constantly being exhausted to the outside and has to be replaced and conditioned, which results in lower overall efficiency. The units have a noise rating of 53 decibels, which is about double the noise produced by a standard refrigerator. Shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store.